Ever noticed how seeing someone yawn makes you want to yawn too? Scientists have long puzzled over why yawning is so contagious. One leading theory suggests it's a subtle social bonding tool, helping groups synchronize alertness and behavior. But there's more. Research hints that yawning may help cool the brain. When you yawn, you draw in cool air and stretch your jaw, increasing blood flow to your head. This action could lower brain temperature, keeping you sharp and alert. So next time you yawn, remember, it's not just about being tired.